Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, June 9th, 2026. Let's take a look at the chart. Start with the big picture. Ceiling of resistance in the low 450s, able to contain buying on a monthly basis, and below which, or once tested, we can fall back to its more significant sister formation at 356.99. This one-year channel bottom we actually did test back in late March, early April, and we'd mentioned how it could contain quarterly selling pressures, and from there round up into the 451.62 region, within a matter of 2 to 3 months. That's obviously played out, and now that we've tested not only 451.62, but also this descending channel top on the same chart at 446.78, we can, over the next, month, two at the most, test 356.99. Now, since testing this upper zone, we have had a sell signal, primarily below this rising channel bottom that is now well above the market at 435.77. That occurred over a week ago, and then it was just last Friday that we broke this simple trend line off the lows at 421.82, which we are now using as our primary resistance here for the day and into later week. It's also our upward pivot point into later week. So if we do close today above 421.82, good low for the week, and we revisit the 440s, low 450s within just a few days, given presently still heightened volatility. Now on the way up today, I do have 413.35. That is an upside 3/8 Fibonacci. Lines up pretty well with that early low from last week. Also yesterday's high, 413.35, can contain intraday buying pressures, and below which this is a wrong print. That should be 399.89, not 39.80. You can see it over here on the far right. So use the support and resistance. It's almost always the correct number. So 421.82. Let me go back here. For the day itself, 413.35 intraday resistance, talking to day traders, and 399.89 intraday support. If we break 399.89 over here to the far right, then we can today actually test what is still our unreached objective near term at 381.50 to 381.61. 381.50 descending channel bottom, also a 5/8 downside Fibonacci over the last couple of months, can contain weekly selling pressures. We'd mentioned if you've been short now for the last 3 to 5 days, over the last 2 to 3 weeks following the testing of meaningful resistance, that this is an area to trim some of that. Take some profits in the low 380s, because you never know. We could round up from here back into the 440s within 2 to 3 weeks. Finally, to the downside, a settlement today below 381.50 does set up 356.99.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVDA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
And with present volatility, I'm going to say this week, closing today below 381.50, expect 356.99 this week, which is this rising channel bottom we tested back in late March, early April, can continue to contain selling as we move through the third quarter. From here, we can round up back to 451.62 within 2 to 3 months. I'd mentioned how we could trade inside of this band for months to come following the settlement below initially back in earlier part of the year, and we fell and so forth and so on. I don't want to go through all of that. Let me say one more thing to the upside, and that is if we close today above 421.82, we have a good low for the week, and I would expect, and we don't show it on the same chart, I would expect, yeah, we do show it here, within 3 to 5 days, this could be within 1 to 2 days, a settlement today above 421.82, 3 to 5 day swing trade aggressive up to 446.78, which is once again that long-term channel top, 44.28 on the daily chart, but on the weekly chart, it comes in at 46.78. And this is our key overhead resistance as we move through July, really, June and into July. We could fill this wedge out for the next couple of months. Finally, and it's not going to happen this week, but if we did close above 446.78 at the end of the week, we have a 2 to 3 month buy signal to 543.45. That is a long-term 6-year channel top that may well contain buying well into 27. I think I've said it all. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 2-week free trial. You'll get daily NVDA analysis, daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis, 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube. So check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of that 2-week free trial. I will be back, of course, tomorrow with Wednesday's Tesla report. And you have a great day.